Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You'll start by setting up Colab for ethical experimentation. Enable a GPU runtime and confirm billing limits if needed. Once done, select only public or synthetic face datasets where participants gave consent. This protects privacy and follows laws. Install standard ML libraries like TensorFlow or PyTorch and OpenCV so you can inspect frames and model outputs. Make sure to create a separate project notebook for experiments and log your data sources and consent records. This documents your work responsibly. Next, focus on understanding model behavior rather than producing realistic impersonations. You'll load a pre-trained academic model in Colab to study encoder-decoder outputs and latent representations, analyze loss curves so you can spot overfitting. Once loaded, run controlled tests on synthetic faces and evaluate artifacts and failure modes. Use this phase to build detection or anonymization tools, or to create stylized transformations, applications that have positive uses. Make sure to keep logs and isolate any generated media. To finish responsibly, export your results with clear watermarks and embedded metadata stating they are synthetic. This prevents misuse and informs viewers. Once done, run established deepfake detectors on your outputs and keep records of consent, intended use, and retention schedules so you can demonstrate compliance. If you encounter unexpected realism or ethical concern, immediately stop distribution, revoke any shared links or API keys, and revert to your experiment logs. If needed, consult legal or institutional review to resolve risks and next steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.